What is going on, YouTube? As you can see, we're back out to the old St. Helen Sand Bowl. Pretty much come here every chance we can get because it's pretty much in the backyard. Memorial Day weekend, so we got extended weekend, so we figured we'd ride back up here, get lunch, and then shoot back home. Trails are super dusty, but we're making the best of it. We had like 8 or 10 machines with us. A couple of them already dipped out just because they're having issues and had some other stuff planned. But as you can see, we got a pretty good lineup of machines here. We got a couple of buddies that we met at the Side-by-Side Blog open house that made the trip down because they want to go riding with us. So they're out here with us, which is sweet. So I'm probably going to hop in the XRC and do some ripping since I'm always the camera guy. I never have anyone to film us. But yeah. All right, we took the old X3 out. We got some drone footage, kind of aerial view of it. I made some changes to the suspension on this thing last night, and the front feels really good. The rear I don't like at all. I just looked up someone else's settings that they ran and they recommended. I don't like the rear at all. You can probably tell from like the drone footage, because I didn't have the GoPro on, that the ass end was bucking real hard. I was having to fucking steer it back and forth the whole time. So I'm gonna go back to kind of what I was running the rear end before. Hopefully I can remember how to get it there. So I'm pretty sure I went 16 clicks. I think I was 18 before, and then I'll just have to figure out where I put the rebound and the low speed adjustment on it. I mean, it's all right for the trail, but for like the deep whoops where I really like this machine, it's bucking a lot for me. So I just want to put it back to how it was. I pretty much stock. Front changes though, I really liked a lot. I think Charlie's out now, so it isn't. All right, so Chris broke the drone back out. As you can see, getting some shots. We stopped back at lookout point on our way back towards the house. We ended up going to eat. We ran past Firehouse, pretty much what we do every time. It wasn't super busy, so we decided to just wheel in there and grab some food. With how dusty it is, and it being a holiday weekend, we figured we'd probably just head her back home. But yeah, we stopped here for one more dad pop, and then we're gonna motor back to the homestead. If you guys enjoyed this video and you guys enjoy side-by-side content, make sure you smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. It costs you literally nothing. Make sure you subscribe, turn on that bell for notifications so you don't miss future videos. Until next time, guys, I'm out.